Today on OsoGrandeKnives, we are looking at the brand new Spyderco Domino folding knife designed by Eric Glesser. The Domino is the second Spyderco knife to feature the Kit Carson-inspired index finger flipper. It's got a full flat ground blade that's machined from premium CTS XHP steel, and it rides on specially designed ball bearing washers for an ultra smooth opening action. And boy, let me tell you, this is smooth, silky smooth. The handle features a solid titanium scale on one side with a skeletonized titanium liner and a cubic check carbon fiber scale on the other. The titanium scale houses the high strength Reeve Integral Lock mechanism, and there's also a steel interface, this part here with the jimping on it, which serves double duty as an overtravel stop. For ease and versatility of carry, the Domino also includes a black 4-position pocket clip. Closed, it weighs in at, it measures 4.55 inches. Overall is 7.68. The blade is 3.13 inches with a 2.94 inch cutting edge and a blade thickness of 0.118. The blade steel again is the CTS XHP premium stainless. It's got a full flat grind. The handle material is the titanium and carbon fiber. It weighs in at 4.1 ounces. The pocket clip on this, for added versatility, is quad mountable for tip up, tip down, right, left, completely ambidextrous. If you're looking for a really nice, smooth, easy to open EDC knife, you need look no further than the Spyderco Domino. Buy it now at OsoGrandeKnives.com. We thank you for watching, and please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.